6 point something, yeah, radians. There's some pi. Perfect. All right, Caitlin's got it. It's the number of radians that go around a circle. And there were always 2 times pi of those. So one thing we could do to find 225 degrees is we could look at a unit circle, or I don't care if it's a unit, a circle. We can think about where is 225 degrees. So since it's given to me in degrees, well, I know some of those, but I don't know 225. How can I find out where 225 is? You could use a protractor, but like we said last class, how many people are carrying one of those around? Well, besides Cole. Yeah, sorry. No. What if we don't have a protractor? Like point to where 225 would be. In the middle of this. Oh, how did you know that? So you think it's going to be around right here? Oh, what equals 45? Somebody said something about 45. Okay, and how did you get the 45? That's what I'm asking. Okay. All right, so if you took 225 minus 180, that would give you the 45-degree reference angle. That's a reference angle. We're referring to the 45-degree angle because it matters to us. So, all right, let's talk about 45-degree angles. This is one 45-degree angle. Who can tell me how many radians is in one 45-degree angle from our last class? It's, okay, maybe let's, one person got it right, but let's develop it. How many radians was 180 degrees? One what? Pi, good. That was pi radians. So then 90 was how many? Okay, 1/2 pi or pi over 2. So 45 would be how many? There you go. So there's pi over 4. What's another way of saying pi over 2, only if I want to say it's something over 4? 2 pi over 4. Everybody on board with 2 pi? Okay, so 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4. Guess how many pi over 4s that's going to be? 3 pi over 4. Yeah, pi is going to be 4 pi over 4. And then guess what that is? 5 pi over 4. There, you just found it. 5 pi over 4 radians. 5 pi over 4. Okay, some people like that way. You guys are the more visual students, and that's great. I like that way, believe it or not. It's the one case that I prefer more visual. Other people like to use the form of 1. And then remember in science class, like when you got rid of units? Yeah? Some people will like this way better. It's another way. So you have 225 degrees. I can put that over 1 because I can put anything over 1. But then I'm going to multiply by a big 1. What big 1 am I going to multiply by? Pi and 180 are the same thing. I'm going to multiply by pi over 180. And why did you choose pi over 180 instead of 180 over pi? We're trying to get degrees to cancel with degrees. So 1 has to be in the numerator and 1 has to be in the denominator. So that's perfect. And then my answer, well, I guess, I don't know, 5. It looks like 5 could go into both of these. 180 divided by 5 is 36. And 225 divided by 5 is 45. Oh, 9 goes into both of those. 9 goes into 36 4 times. 9 goes into 45 9 times. I'm sorry, 5 times. Yeah, I know how to do math. And voila, same answer. It's just a different way of finding it. Favorite.